I'm ready to learn Python, but it feels like there are a lot of different tools and options to figure out.
I understand, Sophie. It can seem overwhelming at first, but that's why we're in this together. There are so many options that it can be hard to know where to begin.
Exactly. I've downloaded Python, but I'm not sure what the next steps are.
That's where our Python toolkit comes in handy. It's a guide with everything you need to get started step by step.
A toolkit? That sounds interesting. What kind of tools are we talking about?
All the essentials for a Python developer. We'll start by setting up your Python environment, making sure you have the right version installed and everything's working smoothly.
Okay, that makes sense. I guess you need the right tools before you can start working with Python, right?
Exactly. And once we have the foundation set, we'll move on to choosing your integrated development environment, or IDE, which is like your personal coding workspace.
IDEs? Are those like word processors I use for school?
They're similar, but specifically designed for writing code. They come with all sorts of helpful features that make coding easier and more efficient.
So what else is in this toolkit of ours?
We've got tools to help keep your projects organized, like virtual environments. They're like separate containers for each project, keeping everything in its place.
Well, that would make things very confusing if everything were mixed up.
Virtual environments help you keep your Python projects neat and tidy, so you don't accidentally break one while working on another.
And what about those other boxes? They look interesting.
They're filled with Python libraries, which are collections of pre-written code that you can use in your own projects. This saves you time and effort, as you don't have to write everything from scratch.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What kind of libraries are there?
There are libraries for everything you can imagine. Building websites, analyzing data, creating games, working with artificial intelligence. You can even build tools to help you automate repetitive tasks.
That sounds incredible. I never realized there were so many options when developing with Python.
And we'll show you how to use the pip installs package, or a pip. It's a tool that lets you easily install and manage these libraries. It helps you find and add the right tools for your projects.
I'm starting to see how all of these tools fit together.
That's the goal. By the end of these lessons, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Python pro. You'll have the skills to write code, manage projects, and even contribute to the open source community.